Hi, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install SSL security on your cPanel. All right, so as soon as you receive your cPanel login, the first thing you want to do is to log in. Then, of course, scroll down to security to install SSL security. Click the drop down button and click on Let's Encrypt. All right, now I've already installed SSL on this cPanel already, but I'll show you how to do that. You scroll down and click on Issue SSL Certificate. Ensure you have Add cPanel subdomains. All right, have this as well. Then you click on Issue, and with that, you should have your SSL installed. And as soon as that is done, you would have your SSL installed on all these alt names: your cPanel, your webmail, your web disk, CP contacts, all of these, your mail and every other necessary subdomains. All right, so and that is how to install your SSL on cPanel.